Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and having good time at your home. Today is 4th of May 2021. Day is Tuesday and you are having your science lesson with me. The chapter that we are discussing these days is about unit number 1, the plant world. And in your yesterday's video, we were talking about the topic photosynthesis. I hope that you have gained the concept of that topic and you have done the assigned task that I have given you on the Google Classroom. So let's continue with the same topic. आपके chapter number 3 the plant world में basically they have explained you about the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and the importance of oxygen. So हम इन्हीं बातों को continue करते हुए आज अपना lesson start करते हैं. So I have drawn the diagram of the process of photosynthesis. Can any one of you explain to me that how it will happen, how the photosynthesis is happening in plants? Yes, Ibrahim, I want you to explain the process of photosynthesis. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of the word photo and synthesis. Very good, Ibrahim. Photo means light and synthesis means to make or to prepare something. When plants are making their food in the presence of sunlight, this is what we call photosynthesis. और plants अपनी food prepare कैसे करते हैं? This is how they do it. In the presence of sunlight, they take the light energy from the sun, they release the oxygen gas that is useful for humans, they intake the carbon dioxide gas from the surrounding that is given to them by plants and animals, then they make their food in the leaves. And they prepare the food in the leaves in the form of glucose. Glucose की form में leaves में food prepare हो रही होती है. And we have also studied that the color of the leaves is green because of the presence of which chemical? Well done, Amina. Because of the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the chemical or the thing in the plant that makes sure the plants are having the green color. Okay. इसके अलावा we have studied that the plants take the water and nutrients from the soil from the underground. इन सब चीज़ों को लेते हुए in the presence of sunlight plants are able to make their food और अपने food making process में they release the oxygen gas and they intake the carbon dioxide gas or they make the food in the form of glucose, right? So this was what we have studied yesterday. I have just revised it for you. आपने अगर इसको कल नहीं पढ़ा था तो आप इसको आज देख सकते हैं. Also we have named the study of the plant botany. Botany is the study of the plants, okay? We have done 2 questions in our yesterday's video. First question was that how many things are required to continue the process of photosynthesis. So I am not going to give you the answer of this question. You are supposed to comment on the video link. आपने बताना है कि photosynthesis के process के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें required होती हैं. There are 4 things that we need to make the process of photosynthesis. I am waiting for all of you. You have to comment in the video link with your name. So I get to know that how many of you are watching the video and how many of you are doing the work on time. So you have to give the answer with your name that these are the things that you need to make the process of photosynthesis. आज के lesson में हम बात करेंगे that what is meant by photosynthesis. Also we will be talking like carbon dioxide gas is good for us or not. So let's do the written work. Take out your notebook, make the page ready, write the topic, date and the question that I am going to write on the board. So your question number 3 will be what is meant by photosynthesis. This is a question that you are supposed to write. The answer will be the process in which plants make their food in leaves in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. With that you have to draw this diagram to show the process of the photosynthesis. So this will be the 3rd question of this chapter. Okay, the 4th question will be carbon dioxide gas is not so cool. Explain your answer. You have to give the answer of this question like why carbon dioxide gas is not considered as cool gas. So you will be writing in the answer carbon dioxide warms the planet. हमारे planet को गर्म कर देती है. If plants did not take in carbon dioxide, अगर plants carbon dioxide को take in नहीं करेंगे, our planet become very hot और हमारा planet बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाएगा. So this is the reason we are saying that carbon dioxide gas is not good for our planet. So these are the questions that you are supposed to do on the notebook. Now let's see that what they have given you in the exercise. This is question number 1. What do plants need to carry out photosynthesis? We are done with this question. How does photosynthesis take place? Draw the diagram to explain your answer. This was a self-writing question, and for you to write it in your own word, I have given you the task कि आपने ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करनी है और इस पैराग्राफ में से अपनी वर्डिंग में से इसका आंसर, अपनी वर्डिंग से इसका आंसर राइट करना है. ओके, सो वी आर डन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एज वेल. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हमने आज किया है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज नॉट सो कूल. डू यू अग्री? एक्सप्लेन योर आंसर. With that, we have done another question, that is what is meant by photosynthesis. This question is not written on the book, but you have to do it. That what is meant by photosynthesis, right? So there are total 4 questions of chapter number 3 that you are supposed to do on the notebook. जिसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो है वो सेल्फ राइटिंग क्वेश्चन है. उसको मेमोराइज नहीं करना, उसको याद नहीं करना, जस्ट टू कीप द कॉन्सेप्ट इन योर माइंड. ठीक है, लेट्स डू द मैचिंग दैट दे हैव गिवन यू ऑन द बुक. मैच द टर्म ऑन द लेफ्ट विद द डेफिनेशन ऑन द राइट. अब आपको राइट साइड पे कुछ डेफिनेशन दी हुई हैं और लेफ्ट साइड पे कुछ टर्म्स हैं. आपने टर्म्स को रीड करना है और इनके एग्जैक्ट आंसर के साथ उसको मैच करते जाना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट एट फोटोसिंथेसिस. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस? Very well done. A process in which plants are making their own food in the help of with the help of sunlight. तो आप इसको रीड करो, कौन सा आपको लग रहा है कि फोटोसिंथेसिस का आंसर होगा? Very well done. This one, the process in which the plants are making the food in the presence of sunlight. The last one. Okay. उसके बाद क्लोरोफिल के बारे में बताएं. Do you have the idea like what is the chlorophyll? Remember in your yesterday's video I have shown you 2 different types of teeth, or sorry not teeth, 2 different types of leaf, जिसमें एक जो था वो ग्रीन कलर का था and the other was in brown color, and I was explaining to you कि brown color is because of the absence of chlorophyll. तो जो plants में green color होता है that is given to them by the chlorophyll. तो आप chlorophyll के बारे में लिखेंगे a substance that turns the sunlight into a form that can be used to help make food. ये भी इसका रीज़न है. ऑल्सो फूड बन रही है तो प्लांट्स का कलर ग्रीन होता है. ठीक है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के बारे में आपको क्या पता है? Very well done, Abdullah. Carbon dioxide gas is something that is not good for our body and we have to take it out from our body by breathing out. So this will be the answer of carbon dioxide. A chemical that plants take in from the air and use to make food. जो plants जो है अपनी environment में से लेते हैं और उससे अपना food prepare करते हैं. ओके, उसके बाद है ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकोज के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था. जो plants की final product होती है वो ग्लूकोज के फॉर्म में होती है. ग्लूकोज इज अ टाइप ऑफ शुगर प्रोड्यूस बाय द प्लांट. ये फूड होती है जो फिर प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स तक जाती है. लास्ट इज ऑक्सीजन, and you all know that oxygen is something we need to stay alive. A gas that plants give out and human breathe. एक ऐसी गैस जो प्लांट्स अपनी बॉडी से वेस्ट के तौर पे बाहर निकालते हैं और हमारे लिए वो लाइफ का काम करती है. वी आर नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव विदाउट ऑक्सीजन. सो दिस इज all about the column matching, and we are finally done with our chapter number 3. It was very brief chapter. They have just explained you about the photosynthesis process, what are the things that you need to make the to do the photosynthesis process. Then they have explained you about the process and done an activity to make sure that how sunlight is important. Also let me know, have you done that experiment of the leaves? Just take the pictures and share with me in the WhatsApp group if you have done the experiment. Or after 1 week you have to open the tape or the sticker, whatever you have pasted, to see that what was the result. उसके बाद हमने column matching किया. We are done with the question answers and chapter number 3 is finished. Our next chapter is about the food and diet. I have also explained you the detail of a leaf. This midpoint of the leaf is called midrib, and if you compare it with a fresh leaf, अगर आप इसको light में करके देखो, if you compare it with the fresh leaf, ये देखें यहाँ पर जो इसकी center वाली thick line है, this one It's more clear from the back side. This one, this is what we call midrib. और ये जो आपको छोटी छोटी से sides पे नज़र आ रही हैं, they are the veins. और इस leaf के पूरे part को हम lamina कहते हैं, और leaf के side पर यहाँ पे इसको leaf stalk कहते हैं. This is the real one, and this is the moral of the leaf. This is what we call the leaf stalk, veins. The central and the thick one is called midrib, and the whole part of the leaf is what we call the lamina. So this was the structure of the leaf. You have to keep these things, the labeling in your mind about veins, midrib, lamina, and the leaf stalk. Okay? So we are done with the complete written work and the book exercise. Workbook work is left for both the chapter number 2 and chapter number 3, but that we will do in our next video of science. और I want to give you a small activity. एक तो आपने experiment जो light से related किया था, that you have done in your previous video. In your today's video, after doing the written work, you have to do a task in which you have to collect the different types of the leaves that are present around you. अगर आप किसी भी जगह पे रहते हैं, आई एम श्योर लाइक यू आर हैविंग सम प्लांट्स एट योर होम. सबके घरों में कोई ना कोई प्लांट ज़रूर होता है. आपने कोई से 6 प्लांट्स के लीव्स को कलेक्ट करने, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के लीव्स को कलेक्ट करने और उसको अपनी कॉपी पर पेस्ट करना है. ठीक है? एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव टू टेल द नेम ऑफ द प्लांट. अगर आपको पता है तो देन यू हैव टू टेल द नेम ऑफ द प्लांट. अगर नहीं, देन यू हैव टू टेल द शेप ऑफ द प्लांट, कि उस लीव की शेप कैसी है. आई विल सजेस्ट कि आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स के लीव्स को कलेक्ट करें. लाइक इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग द लीफ ऑफ अ रोज़ प्लांट और अ जैस्मिन और अ लेमन प्लांट, ये सब कॉमनली होते हैं, मे बी आपके घरों में हों भी. तो आपने इन सब का एक एक लीफ लेना है और उसको अपनी कॉपी पर पेस्ट करना है. ठीक है? एंड यू हैव टू मेक अ बुकलेट. अगर आप अपनी कॉपी पे करना चाहते हैं, वेल एंड गुड. इफ़ नॉट, देन यू कैन मेक अ प्लांट बुकलेट. आप एक छोटी सी बुकलेट भी बना सकते हो. कैसे? लेट मी टेल यू. You have to take an A4 sheet like this, just fold it into the double like this, and then one more time. How many sides it will be having now? 4. Let me just cut. अब उसके बाद आपने इसको कट करना है. कट कैसे करना है? आपने इसको ऐसे पकड़कर, या फिर आप यहाँ से भी कट कर सकते हो, फिर इसको स्टेपल कर लेना, या फिर आप इस साइड से. ठीक है? लेट मी डू इट एंड देन शो इट टू यू. सी, आई हैव कट इट फ्रॉम द अपर साइड. इट्स हैविंग 4 sides नाउ. 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Same I have done with the another page paper of the A4 sheet. इसकी भी 1, 2, 3 और 4 sides हैं. राइट? अब आपने इसको यहाँ पर ऐसे बाइंड कर लेना है. अब आपकी छोटी सी बुकलेट बन गई है. अब हर एक पेज पर आप एक डिफरेंट टाइप का लीफ पेस्ट करोगे. नंबर 1 यहाँ पर, नंबर 2 यहाँ पर, देन 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 एंड 8. आपने इस तरह ऐसे रखते हुए एक साइड पर अपना कोई भी लीफ पेस्ट करना है और उसका नेम राइट करना है. राइट? सो और बाहर आप इसके ऊपर कोई अच्छा सा प्लांट बना सकते हो, कोई ड्राइंग कर सकते हो. एंड यू हैव टू राइट माय प्लांट बुकलेट, कि आपकी छोटी सी प्लांट बुकलेट है जिसमें आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स के लीव्स के बारे में बता रहे हो. So I want all of you to do this activity and then show it to me by sending the pictures on the WhatsApp group. So I'll get to know that you have done it or not. It will be very interesting. I will also complete my booklet and I will share the pictures with you. मैं आपके साथ भी share करूँगी. ठीक है? So this was the activity related to the leaves, and already you have completed the chapter. So this is all about today. Let's do the quick wrap up of our chapter number 3. So I'm going to ask the questions from you by calling your name, and then you have to comment in the video. So my first question is from the Mohib. Mohib, you have to tell that the study of the plants is called what? The study of the plants is called botany. Very good. And what about the word photosynthesis? Photosynthesis का meaning क्या था? Well done, Ahmed. Photo means light and synthesis means to make something. When we are making something in the presence of sunlight, this is what we say photosynthesis. Okay, tell me, while making the process of photosynthesis, which gas plant release from their body? Well done. Plants release carbon dioxide gas. No, not carbon dioxide gas. Plant release oxygen gas and they take in carbon dioxide gas. अपनी बॉडी के अंदर वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस लेके जाते हैं और बॉडी से बाहर ऑक्सीजन गैस निकालते हैं. और जो प्लांट्स अपनी बॉडी से बाहर ऑक्सीजन गैस निकालते हैं, वी ह्यूमन यूज दैट गैस फॉर स्टेइंग अलाइव. हमें जिंदा रहने के लिए ऑक्सीजन चाहिए होती है. दैट वी टेक फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. इसलिए तो कहा जाता है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट्स ग्रो करें, क्योंकि जितने ज़्यादा प्लांट्स होंगे उतनी हमारी इन्वायरमेंट क्लीन होगी. आपको पता है प्लांट्स जो है वो नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट क्लीनर होते हैं. वो हमारी इन्वायरमेंट को पोल्यूशन से क्लीन करते हैं और हमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दैट मेक आवर बॉडी मोर फ्रेश एंड हेल्दी. मोर देन दैट वी गेट फूड फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. हम प्लांट से बहुत ज़्यादा फूड भी तो लेते हैं. We use the wood of the plant for making furniture. Even the pencil that you are using, that come from the plant, or the books or the stationery things, and the notebook on which you are writing something, that is made of paper, and you get the paper from the plants. आपको cotton से paper मिलता है जिससे आप कोई writing work करते हो. So a lot of our things are depending on plants. So we should protect the plants. We should not cut them. In fact, we should grow more and more trees. So this is all about your today's science lesson. I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson and you like the activity that I have introduced to you about the plant booklet. I'm really looking forward that how many of you will do the task and send the pictures on the WhatsApp group. So take good care of yourself. Have a good time. If you're finding any problem while doing the work or doing the activity that I have assigned to you, you can comment me. I will guide you and obviously I will help you to do that task. So take good care of yourself. Have a good time. Allah Hafiz.